Hello students, welcome to my channel. Name of my channel is Sarika Krishna Online Classes. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Okay, so my name is Sarika. So this side Sarika, your maths teacher, and in this video I'm going to explain a part of trigonometry, right? That is trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. In the previous video I explained the trigonometric ratios. So what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is it is applied for the right triangle. Right triangle, you can form different right triangles in nature. Suppose you have to find the height of a building and you know the angle from where you are looking. So you can make a right triangle there and you can apply trigonometry there. So we'll be doing the applications of trigonometry in the next chapter, applications of trigonometry. So in simple words, trigonometry means a measurement of the relationship between the three sides of the triangle and the angles of the triangle, the ratio, right? So to explain these ratios of the connection, the relationship between the sides and the angles of a triangle, we have certain trigonometric functions, right? Like sine theta, cos theta, tangent theta, right? And then cosecant theta, secant theta, tan, cot theta. So there are 6 trigonometric ratios, right? These are functions, trigonometric functions, and they are written in terms of the ratio of the sides. Now, there are certain values in which we find the value of sine theta in these degrees. We should know 0 degree, what is sine 0, what is sine 30, what is sine 45, what is sine 60, what is sine 90. Similarly, all these 6 trigonometric ratios, they have a certain value on these angles, right? So it's very simple. When you see that table in a book, you find it very difficult how to cram the things, how to cram the values. No, you don't have to cram the values. What you have to do, just pay attention. First you can calculate the first line, which is of sine theta. Sine 0, what is sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90. What you have to do, just write inside the root 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. In the denominator, you can notice that it's 4 throughout. 4, 4, 4, 4. Then write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple to write, right? So what is the answer of this? That will be the value of sine 0. This is 0, right? 1 by 4 means this 4 is a perfect square number. So you can write it as, right, 1 by 2. 4 जो है 2 into 2 होता है, उसके पैर में बाहर निकल जाता है रूट से. Here it will be 1 by root 2, right? Now here it will be root 3 by 2. 4 का 2 बाहर आ जाएगा लेकिन रूट में रहेगा. Here you can cancel it by this way and then root में रहेगा root. Now this is 1 and this is 1. So what are the values of sine 0? What is the value of sine 0? Is 0. Sine 30 is half. 45 is 1 by root 2 and sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and this is 1. So these are the values, right, which you don't have to cram. You can find out from 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. After finding out this, right, now cos theta, sin theta, cosecant theta, you don't have to do the same thing for them. What you have to do for cos, just write the answers in this reverse order. इसके आंसर्स ऐसे हैं, cos के उल्टे होते हैं. पहले आप 1 लिखेंगे, first write 1, then write root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, फिर आएगा आपका half, then comes 0. बस जो sin के आंसर्स हैं तो वो लास्ट से आपने लिखने हैं उल्टे, 1 through 3 by 2 like this way. तो मीन्स जो sin की वैल्यूज है, the values of sin, cos के लिए वो आंसर्स उल्टे होते हैं. लास्ट का जो आंसर है sin 90 का, वो cos का 0 का होगा, like that way, right? और जो sin 60 का होगा वो cos 30 का होगा, like. Now comes tan. Now tan can be written as the ratio of sin theta upon cos theta. जो ये tan है, that is the ratio of sin and cos. जब हम इनकी ratios डालते हैं, like sin theta की value हम डालेंगे perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos को भी डालेंगे हम base upon hypotenuse, उसमें hypotenuse cancel हो जाता है और आपके पास क्या बचता है, perpendicular और base, तो वो tangent बन जाता है. Like I'll explain here. Now see here, what is tan? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is cos? Base upon hypotenuse. जब आप इसको इंटू करेंगे, उल्टा करेंगे, right? So hypotenuse cancel हो जाता है, आपके पास क्या बचता है? When you divide sin and cos, then hypotenuse cancel हो जाता है. You are left with p by b. What is p by b? That is tangent. It means tangent theta जो है sin theta upon cos theta होता है. Now what is cot? Cot is the reciprocal of tan. ये 1 upon tan होता है. तो ये इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Cos upon sin, cos theta upon sin theta. अगर tangent sin theta upon cos theta है तो cot theta उसका रिवर्स होगा, cos theta upon sin theta. Now we have the values. We have the values of sin theta. We have the values of cos theta. How to find out tangent? आप डिवाइड कर दो, क्योंकि tangent क्या होता है? sin theta upon cos theta. अब sin theta क्या है आपका? 0. 0 by 1 तो 0 होता है, राइट? इसको डिवाइड करेंगे 2 कट जाएगा, तो यहाँ आएगा 1/√3. ये 1 आ जाएगा और ये √3 आ जाएगा. और here 1/0, अगर डिनोमिनेटर में ऐसे हो 1/0, that is not defined. डिनोमिनेटर में if 0 is coming, that means not defined. So आप ND लिखेंगे, आपके टेबल में भी you might have written ND means not defined, उसको हम डिफाइन नहीं करते. So how to find sin? रूट्स में लिख दो ये 0/4 1/4. How to find cos? साइन के जो आंसर है उल्टे लिख लो, पहले 1 लिखो फिर ये लिखो, राइट? tan, what is tan? sin थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय cos थीटा. साइन और cos के आंसर्स को डिवाइड कर दो, 0/1 जो आंसर आता है वो लिख लो. Cosecant. Cosecant I told you in my previous video. What is cosecant? It is reciprocal of sine. Sine के आंसर्स उल्टे करने हैं. So 1/0. 1/0 तो not defined होता है, right? So आप इसको उल्टा करोगे. इसका उल्टा means 2. 1/2 का 2, इसका √2, इसका 2/√3 और 1/1 is 1. So हमने कुछ नहीं रेसिप्रोकल किया. कोसिकेंट. कोसिकेंट के लिए साइन का रेसिप्रोकल किया. सीकेंट के लिए कॉस का रेसिप्रोकल करना है. 1/1 is 1. Here it will be 2/√3. Here it will be √2. Here it will be 2. And 1/0 is not defined. जहाँ जहाँ 0 डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा, that is not defined, right? Okay. अब cot क्या होता है? Tangent का रेसिप्रोकल, right? So tangent को रेसिप्रोकल कर लेते हैं. अब क्या है? 0. 1/0, that is not defined. 1/√3 means √3. 1/1 means 1. 1/√3 आ जाएगा, रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. और 1 not defined, that is 0. जहाँ पे 1 not defined आ गया, इसको रेसिप्रोकल करना है तो वो 0 होता है, और 1/0 not defined होता है, राइट? सो यू कैन मेक दिस होल राइट टेबल, यू कैन कंप्लीट दिस टेबल योरसेल्फ, यू डोंट हैव टू क्रैम. सो आई होप यू आर फाइंडिंग इट इजी नाउ. सो जल्दी से एक बार रिविजन कर लेते हैं. साइन थीटा कैसे निकलता है? रूट के अंदर आप लिख लो 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, जो आंसर्स आते हैं वो लिख लो. कॉस के आंसर्स कैसे आते हैं? जो साइन के आंसर्स आए उसको उल्टे ऑर्डर में लिखो. 1 लिख लो पहले, फिर ये लिखो, फिर ये लिखो, फिर ये लिखो, फिर ये. ऐसे के आंसर ऐसे लिख लेने हैं कॉस के लिए. tan कैसे आता है? साइन और कॉस के आंसर को जस्ट डिवाइड दे. ऊपर आप डिवाइड कर सकते हो 2 मिनट में. 0/1 क्या आएगा, इसको डिवाइड करो, डिवाइड करो, डिवाइड करो, आपके आंसर आ जाते हैं. स्लोली व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू डू दिस चैप्टर, you keep on revising the questions, आपको ये लर्न हो जाते हैं, राइट? देन यू डोंट हैव टू मेक दिस, इसको डिवाइड करके उसको वे करके, राइट? सो वो टिप्स पे हो जाते हैं, जैसे हम हमें टिप्स पे हो गया ना, राइट? सो उसके बाद है कोसिकेंट. कोसिकेंट के लिए हम साइन की वैल्यूज का 1 करते हैं, बिकॉज कोसिकेंट जो है दैट इज रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ साइन. साइन के जो आंसर्स होंगे कोसिकेंट के 1 में होंगे. अगर 0 है तो कोसिकेंट का आंसर होगा 1/0, जो कि नॉट डिफाइंड होता है. लाइकवाइज, राइट? सिमिलरली सीकेंट कॉस के रेसिप्रोकल होता है, कॉस के आंसर्स को रेसिप्रोकल कर दो. कॉट के लिए आप टैन के आंसर्स को रेसिप्रोकल कर लो. और अगर 1/0 आए तो नॉट डिफाइंड डाल दो, और अगर 1/नॉट डिफाइंड आए तो 0 डाल दो. आई होप इट्स वेरी सिंपल नाउ. So now we'll be doing some questions in which we have to put the values. अगर आपको values अच्छे से learn हो जाती हैं then it is well and good. No wastage of time. Otherwise in exams में फिर आप वो table बनाने नहीं बैठते हैं. That is wastage of time. ये table बनाना सिर्फ आप अभी करोगे. Then by the time you have to appear in the exams, the values should be in tips. क्योंकि आपका question आया, पहले आप लगाओगे table बनाओगे, बहुत time लग जाएगा, right? So if अगर values tips पे होंगी आपको, then you can just substitute the values fast. It saves time, right? So as you wish. Okay children, now the questions. Okay students, now we'll be doing these 2 questions, right? There are certain angles are written in front. We have to find the values of trigonometric functions like sine 30, and we have to substitute the values जो हमने table बनाया था अभी, right? If you know the values, right? You have learned the values, then you can directly substitute. Now here sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. Okay, now sine 60 it was √3/2, right? You have to multiply by cos 30. Cos 30 was also √3/2. Sine 30 was half and cos 60 was half, right? So you have to multiply these two and these two, and then you have to add. √3 is 3 and 2 2 is 4. 1 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4. Numerators multiplied by numerator. Denominator को आप denominator से करते हैं. Now we have a fraction. We'll be taking the LCM 4. 3 क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, सो वो डायरेक्टली सेम आ जाएगा. 4/4 and that answer is 1. So answer of this is 1. What I did, I just substitute the values of sin 60, cos 30, sin 30 and cos 60. Then multiplied these two. Then added by the fraction by taking the LCM. LCM was same 4. Right. Now let us do this question here. Now tan square 45, that is 1. Cos 30, that is root 3 by 2, and sin 60, that is root 3 by 2. We have already used here. Now let us see what happens here. 2, 1 square. If there is square, you have to square that answer, that value. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and square of that sin 60 is also root 3 by 2, and square of that. Why we are doing the square? Because square लगे हुए हैं इसमें. यहाँ पे स्क्वायर्स नहीं थे, वहाँ पे स्क्वायर्स हैं. तो जो आपकी वैल्यू होती है उसका आपको स्क्वायर करना होता है. इफ यू हैव क्यूब तो आपको क्यूब करना होता है, राइट? सो नाउ हियर इट इज 2 1s are 2, राइट? वन ही ऐड स्क्वायर का. root 3 is 3, 2 2s is 4, root 3 is 3, 2 2s is 4. Here it's 2, 2 ही रहने देते, 2 1s are 2 ही होता है, राइट? नाउ there is a fraction, we have to take the LCM. LCM आपका 4 आ जाएगा, इसके पास 4 नहीं है. We'll be multiplying this by 4. Right, 4 2s are 8 plus 3 minus 3, right? So what happens? 3 3 cancel हो जाता है, 0 8 by 4, and that is 2. So I hope it's clear, right? So we just have to substitute the values. अगर उसके ऊपर square है तो आप square करो. Addition है, subtraction है, और fraction में जब addition subtraction होता है, you have to take the LCM, then solve accordingly, right? Now we'll be doing the next question. Okay, students, now we'll be doing these questions, right? 4 sin square 60 plus 3 tan square 30 minus 8 sin 45 into cos 45. So we have to substitute the values. Value of sin 60, root 3 by 2. We have to square that. 3 tan 30 is 1 by root 3. We have to square that. 8 into sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So now here let us do the square. Root 3 होता है 3, 2 2s are 4. Right here, यहाँ पे 1 1s are 1, root 3 is 3, and here root 2 is 2. So here 4 gets cancelled here. We are left with 3. 3 gets cancelled, plus 1. Here we can divide this by 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Right? So here substitute the values, substitute the values, substitute the values. Square करो root 3 का square, that is 3. 2 का square 4 है, root 3 का 3. root 2 होता है. Then इसकी cutting करो, cancelling करो, जो होता है. Make it simple. ठीक है, 4 cancel हो गया, 3 cancel हो गया, 1. 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. So we got the answer 0. Now see here, cos 0, that is 1, right? Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2. Here cos 90 is 0. ये सब multiply में है. Anything multiply 0 is 0, because यहाँ 0 आ गया. Cos 90 is 0. So anything multiplied by 0, वो पूरी answers को it makes 0. So दोनों के answers 0, right? Now we'll be doing the next question of the same type. Okay, students. Now I have taken a question in which it has a numerator also and denominator also, right? Little complicated. Now let us substitute the values here. Tan 60, root 3. Tan 45, 1 by root 2. Secant 30. Secant 30 is reciprocal of cos 30. And cos 30 is root 3 by 2. तो ये होगा 2 by root 3. Cos 90 0. तो secant 30 sin 30 का reciprocal. Sin 30 half था तो ये 2 होगा. Secant 60 reciprocal of cos 60 और वो half था तो ये 2 होगा. Cot 30. Cot 30 is reciprocal of tan 30. Tan 30 था 1 by root 3 तो ये root 3 होगा. So let us substitute the values. So tan 60 is root 3. Right here 4, 1 by root 2 whole square, then here 3, then secant 30, right? Root 3 by 2, that was cos 30, 2 by root 3. हमने उसको reciprocal करना है, right? And square of that, and here it's 5 and cos 90 is 0. So it becomes 0 here. Now let us substitute values here. It's 2. We don't have the squares in the denominator. It's 2 here. And here it's square. It's root 3 and it's square of that. Okay. Now root 3 square is 3. Here 4. Here it will be root 2. Root 2, that is, जब आप उसका square करोगे तो 2 आ जाएगा. Here it's 3. 2 square 4 होता है. 2 का square root 3 3 होता है. Right? Here it's 0. 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. Here it's 2 plus 2 4. Here root 3 square is 3. This way we get the answer, right? Now here we can cancel this. right? यहाँ पे ही cancel कर सकते हैं हम 3, right? So we are left with, यहीं पे लिख देते हैं, we are left with here 3, right? Here it's 2, right? Okay, 3 plus 2 here, we are left with 4, and here it's 1, right? So 3, 4, 5, 4, 9. So answer is 9. So we can do these type of questions also. If we have numerator, denominator, just substitute the values. Value should be correct. You get the step-by-step marks, right? Correct values you should substitute, then solve accordingly. अगर cancelling होती है तो cancelling करो. Last में जाके you get the perfect answer. Okay, children. So I have completed. So I'm done with this topic, trigonometric ratios of some specific values, degrees, right? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, and cot theta. And the values which we are using are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. So I have explained how to make the table and how to solve the questions. Okay, thank you, children. Stay blessed. Please do like and share my videos, right? And subscribe my channel, Sarika Krishna Online Classes. Okay, thank you, children. Stay blessed.